Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am discussing the first chapter of basic biology, that is the cell. Quickly go through the exercises here. Define the following term. Cell. What is cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Cell, the smallest unit of structure and functions of the living organisms, is called the cell. The smallest unit of structure and functions of the living organism. Cell organelle, part of a cell performing a specific function. Organelle, part of a cell performing specific function. Vitellogenesis, formation of yolk in the egg. Vitellogenesis means formation of yolk in the egg. Nucleus. Nucleus is the part present inside the cell. It controls and governs the activities of the cell. All activities of the cells, they are controlled by the nucleus. Now differentiate organ and organ. Organ is a part of an organism. Organelle is a part of a cell performing a specific function. Organ is a part of a body. Cell membrane and cell wall. Cell wall is present in plants, absent in animals. Cell membrane present in both. Cell wall freely permeable, cell membrane selectively permeable. Nucleus and nucleus. Nucleus is present inside the cell. This is the nucleus. And inside the nucleus, the round structure present, which controls the activities of the nucleus, it is the nucleolus. It controls the formation of the DNA and RNA present, means the activities of nucleus are controlled by nucleolus and activities of the cells are controlled by the nucleus. Leucoplast and chloroplast. Chloroplast, they are the green plastids, they help in the photosynthesis. Leucoplast, they are colorless plastids that helps in the storage of food material, proteins, carbohydrates, starch as amyloplast, elioplast, they are known accordingly of the different types. Lysosomes and ribosomes. Ribosomes, they help in protein synthesis. They are the smallest cell organelle present in the cell. Lysosomes, they are act as the suicidal bags. The lysosomes, they help in intracellular digestion of worn out cell organelles, destroy foreign substances, and the formation of bones by digesting cartilage when the cartilage and the bones are formed. Whereas the ribosomes, they help in protein synthesis, they are the protein factories. Protoplasm and cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, the protoplasmic content present in the cell in between nuclear membrane and cell membrane. And protoplasm is the content which is present in the between cell as well as the inside the nuclear envelope. यानी ये सेल है, पूरा टोटल कंटेंट इनसाइड ये प्रोटोप्लाज्म है. यहाँ पर ये प्रोटोप्लाज्म इज डिवाइडेड इनटू साइटोप्लाज्म एंड न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म, राइट? List various parts of cells which are seen under the electron microscope. You are able to see the different parts: cell membrane, chloroplast, Golgi bodies, nucleosome, cytoplasm, centriole, nucleoplasm, nucleus, chromatin reticulum, ribosomes, nuclear endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, cell wall, and micro. They are the different and the various parts which are seen under the electron microscope. Generalized structure of the electron is a plant cell, it is an animal cell. Tabulate differences between animal cell and plant cell. The differences between animal cell and plant cell, you can see animal cell, no cell wall present. Plant cell, they have the cell wall made up of cellulose. Here, plasma membrane present in both animal cell and plant cell. Animal cell, vacuoles either absent or very small, whereas in case of plant cell, large and prominent vacuole. Centrosome present in plant cell, absent in animal cell. Plastids absent in animal cell, present in plant cell. They are the basic difference between plant cell and the animal cell. Cell without nucleus is without no, because if nucleus is not there, cell is not a, because all activities, physiological activities of the cells, they are controlled and governed by the nucleus. If the nucleus is absent, then the life, as you know, RBCs and the human RBCs, nucleus is absent, so they destroy after 3 months. So without here, they cannot survive for the longer. Just as mitochondria are the powerhouse of the, because the energy released is stored in the form of ATP molecules in mitochondria, so they are known as powerhouse of the cell. Why mitochondria are known as powerhouse of the cell? They store the energy released by it in the form of ATP molecule. Three important functions of the following: endoplasmic reticulum. Now see, endoplasmic reticulum, it forms cytoskeleton, it forms intracellular transporting system, and it forms many cell organelles. It forms cytoskeleton, it forms many intracellular transporting system, and forms many cell organelles. Lysosomes. Lysosomes, here you can see lysosomes, it is the intracellular digestion, digestion of worn out cell organelles, intracellular digestion, this one, digestion of worn out cell organelles, destroy foreign substance, formation of bones by digesting the cartilages. Yes, Golgi bodies, Golgi bodies, synthesis and secretion of glycoproteins, formation of yolk, the process known as vitellogenesis, formation of acrosome of sperm, and the formation of cell wall. Formation of cell wall, right? Plastids, plastids, they are green in color. They help in trapping the solar energy to keep balance of the oxygen, carbon dioxide, that provide gaudy colors to the fruits and flowers. Nucleus, nucleus present in the center, it controls and governs all the functions of the cell directly or indirectly, helps in the transmission of characters from parents to offspring, controls cell division. Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. It forms this mitochondria. Yeah. It helps in the cellular respiration and release of the energy. They release in the form of, the energy released is stored in the form of it, so they are known as powerhouse of the cell. This we have done it. Now, which of the following is connected with the following? Liberation of energy, mitochondria; protein synthesis, ribosomes; vitellogenesis, Golgi apparatus; intracellular digestion, lysosome; cytoskeleton, endoplasmic reticulum; photosynthesis, plastid; formation of cell wall, Golgi bodies; and formation of other cell organelles, it is endoplasmic reticulum. It is endoplasmic reticulum. Mark correct and incorrect. Lysosomes are the suicidal bags of the cell, right? Centrosome is present in the excuse me. Centrosome is present in plant cells only, wrong. They are present only in animal cell. Growth in living organ is not the cellular activity of itself, yes, correct. Protoplasm is a part of the cell present between the cell membrane and nuclear, right? Every cell is bounded from outside by a cell wall, no. All animal cell contains cell wall, no. Human RBC is the smallest known cell, no. Give one word for each of the following. Part of a cell performing a specific function, organelle; a group of cell performing a specific function, tissue; controlling center of the cell, nucleus; powerhouse of a cell, mitochondria; suicidal bag, lysosomes; fluid filled membrane bound spaces in the cell, vacuoles; protein factories of a cell, ribosome. Now match the following: mitochondria, liberation of energy; lysosomes, intracellular digestion; endoplasmic reticulum, supporting framework of a cell; ribosomes, protein synthesis; chloroplast, photosynthesis; centrosome, cell division; cell membrane, regulation of transportation of materials into and out of the cell; and Golgi complex, vitellogenesis. Right. Now, given below the diagram of a plant cell and cell, name the parts label. See, it's plastids, vacuoles, cytoplasm. This your This is the nucleolus. It is the nucleus. They are the cytoplasm. This is the cytoplasmic inclusions. Vacuole. This is the plastid. This is the nucleus. They are endoplasmic reticulum. It is mitochondria. It is middle lamella, cell membrane, cell wall, protoplasm, chromatin reticulum. It is the nucleus, nucleolus, and this is the vacuole. Right? Now here, just let us see. Draw a well-labeled dye-generated typical animal cell as seen. You can see this is the animal cell as drawn under the microscope, or you can also draw it from here. This is also your animal cell, and with all that, this is the animal cell, it is the plant cell. I hope you are able to see. Now, explain the ultimate chemical nature of protoplasm cannot be because protoplasm is the mixture of organic and inorganic substances which shows the signs of life. Plant cells contain fewer mitochondria because they require less energy, because they do not move from one place to another. They make the energy. That's why number of mitochondria are less in plant cells. When we cut pieces of the beetroot boiled in water, water turns red, but when pieces of carrots are boiled, because it contains a pigment carotene, it is a photosynthetic pigment. That's why water is it is insoluble, and the pigment present in food, it is soluble in water. So even if you cut the beetroot with your hands, then also see your hands becomes red even if you don't boil it. Given alongside the diagrams, I study the same under the question. See, it is the chromatin reticulum. Fourth is the nucleolus. This is centrosome. This is Golgi body. They are mitochondria. Functions of 2 and 4. Functions of Golgi body. As you know already, we have discussed the functions of the Golgi bodies here. Golgi bodies: intracellular digestion, digestion of worn out cell organelles, destroy foreign substances. And the 4 one, it is the nucleolus. It controls the activities of the nucleus, helps in the formation of DNA and RNA, and it helps in cell division. Draw a label diagram of the organelle 5 as seen under the microscope. Mitochondria, you can see this. Outer membrane, inner membrane, cristae, matrix. This is the mitochondria. Describe the structure of mitochondria. It is consists of 2 membranes, outer membrane and the inner membrane. Inner membrane has finger-like foldings. These finger-like foldings are known as cristae. Cristae has the organelle, oxysome. See, double membrane bag-like structures. Outer membrane is smooth, whereas the inner membrane is into finger-like projections called the cristae. ये cristae है, and it contains enzyme needed for the ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ ग्लूकोज. क्रैब साइकिल क्रिस्टी ऑफ माइट्रोकॉन्ड्रिया में होता है, जिसमें कि वेरियस स्टेप्स में एटीपी मॉलिक्यूल्स रिलीज होते हैं, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज होते हैं और एटीपी मॉलिक्यूल्स का फॉर्मेशन. Why protoplasm cannot be analyzed chemically? Because protoplasm is the mixture. It is the living substance that shows the signs of the life. अगर जरा भी होता है, ये सॉल्ट से सेल कंडीशन में चेंज होता है और इसका केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर एनवायरनमेंट के हिसाब से थोड़ा बहुत चेंज होता है. Cells are generally small in size so that they are able to perform their functions properly. Label diagram of a chloroplast. See, this is the label diagram of a chloroplast. See, this is the matrix. This is the outer membrane. This is lamellae. These are thylakoids. This is single plate is the thylakoid, and heap is known as the single is thylakoid, and it is grana. It is the outer and the inner membrane. Yes, of chloroplast. Name the following: kitchen of the cell, plastid. Structure that surrounds centrioles, centrosphere. Part of the cell which helps in the formation of acrosome of human sperm, it is Golgi apparatus. Two animals having 19 pairs of the chromosomes. The two animals having 19 pairs of the chromosomes. They are the lion, cat, and tiger. Lion, cat, and tiger. Lion, cat, and tiger. Photosynthetically active plastids having brown colored pigment, chloroplast. Chromoplast. The type of leucoplast that stores it is amyloplast. Cell is the smallest unit of structure and function. The first microscope was constructed by Anton von Leeuwenhoek. The name cell was given by by Robert Brown. It is given by Robert Brown. Sheldon and Shawn postulated cell theory. Vacuoles are bounded by a membrane called tonoplast. Cycloses are the streaming movements of the cell cytoplasm. Now here give the name the parts label, give the significance of part A and B. B thylakoid, they contain chlorophyll pigment in which the light reaction occurs. Name the photosynthetic pigment, it is chlorophyll. Is the chloroplast present in animal cell? No, it is absent because plastids are absent. Name other two types of plastid. It is the leucoplast, chromoplast. Plastids, they are known as chloroplast, leucoplast, chromoplast. I also say clear. Given below are the diagram. CA, it is endoplasmic reticulum. Primary function forms the cytosol. This is the nucleus. It controls and governs all the activities of the cell. Mitochondria, they are known as powerhouse of the cell because they liberate the energy. Structure and whether found in animal, plastids, plant, photosynthesis, centrosome found only in animal cell, spindle formation during cell formation. Cell wall, plant cell, it is freely permeable. Cell membrane found in both allows useful substances to diffuse in and harmful substances to diffuse out. Nucleolus found in both formation and storage of RNA and the formation of ribosome. Who put forward the cell theory? Sheldon and Shawn put forward. What are its salient features? Sheldon and Shawn. All living organisms are made up of a cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. All cells are formed from the pre-existing cell. Contribution, Huxley, he told the importance of protoplasm. Purkinje, he coined the term protoplasm first. Leeuwenhoek, he discovered simple microscope. Non-Alaska, he discovered the electron microscope. I hope everything is clear. Any doubt, anywhere, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you. Again, we will meet in the next video.